Alright, hi guys. So this is part 2 of my Decoupaged Christmas ornament tutorial, and I am in my word processing document, and I have downloaded my picture that I have chosen to be printed, and I resized it by clicking the outside edges. I copy and pasted it into a Word doc so that I could easily print it out, and you click on the edges of it and you move it up and down. I liked this size because I can take my ornament and hold it up and see that it will fit onto, just by holding it up, because it's like true to life size. So if you hold up your ornament, you can kind of like see that it'll fit onto the face of whatever ornament you're using if you hold your ornament up to the screen. And so I like the size because it fits everything on it, and even if I have to trim the edges, I'll get a good image. So I've resized it, and now I'm just going to go print it out. I put my paper with my tissue attached to it. You can learn more about that in part 1 of the series. It's in the rear tray, and I'm going to print this out. I'm going to select print from my menu, and then over here you should find something like properties in your printing menu. You know, every word processor program is different, every computer is different, but you should see something named properties. I'm going to select standard, I'm going to select plain paper, which it's already on, and I'm going to select high quality. But then over here for the paper source, I'm going to select rear tray, and then I'm going to hit OK, and my computer makes me hit it again, and that's it. And then it should be printing out. Alright, I'll show you the next step in part 3. Thank you for joining me.